Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to save a video directly to Google Drive and fix any errors you may encounter on the way. So first, you want to make sure your internet connection is turned on and that you're signed into your Google account. Then head over to this corner that says Google Apps, click on it, scroll down and select the drive. Now before you upload the video, you want to make sure it's saved in a commonly accepted format such as MP4. If it isn't, you need to convert it because uncommon file formats might not play properly in Google Drive. Before uploading the video, it's best to create a new folder to keep things organized. So to do that, head over to this corner, click on New, and select New Folder. I'm going to name this Bits and click Create. Now, head over to New and select File Upload. Scroll through your files, then click on the file you'd like to upload and select Open. Upload stalls or fails. This could be due to the slow internet connection. Restart your router or switch to a different network. The problem could also be from Google servers. Try clearing your browser cache or switch to a different browser. If that still doesn't work, try uploading the video again at a less busy time. Your upload could also fail due to insufficient storage space. On the left corner of the screen here, you'll see your available storage space. If it's full, you need to clear it out. If you don't know how to do that, we have a video showing you how to do this step by step. I'll leave a link to it in the right corner of the screen. Once your upload is complete, you'll want to make sure that it saves properly. Double click on the video, and if it doesn't play immediately, you may need to wait a few minutes. And here you can see that my video opens correctly. To save a video directly to Google Drive from a phone, simply follow these same steps. And that's all you need to do to save a video directly to Google Drive. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like, share, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.